Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by ensuring iCloud Sync is on and Reminders is enabled across devices so your lists stay consistent. Once that's confirmed, create a main working list, call it Inbox or Today to capture everything fast. Make your first actionable reminder by tapping the plus button, add a clear verb, set a time or location, and assign a priority or tag. This quick capture reduces friction and gets you into the habit of recording tasks immediately. Now you'll refine captured items into manageable tasks. Break larger items into subtasks and add notes or attachments to store context. This prevents vague one-liners from stalling progress. Once done, tag items and use priorities so smart lists can surface what matters. Make smart lists for today, errands, and waiting. Also, set repeating schedules for routines and location-based triggers for errands. These automations finish each cycle with a short review. Scan Inbox, move tasks into today's plan, and pick the top 3 to start. You'll complete simple items immediately, defer thoughtfully with new dates, and reschedule only when necessary so your lists stay actionable. If something goes wrong, items not syncing or disappearing, first toggle Reminders in iCloud settings, then sign out /in or restart devices. That fixes most sync issues. Finally, archive or delete finished lists to keep the system lean and fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.